Hello. With the Digital Teacher Institute Day on Monday, using a lot of Zoom meetings, I just wanted to take a minute of your time. If you're uncomfortable trying to get into Zoom, hopefully this will help you out. Basically, I've added to the Google, if you're logged in with your Tri-Valley account under apps, you'll see Zoom. You can go right there, as well as I pushed Zoom out to all of the student student Chromebooks, so it's pinned to their start menu, so it's right there for them. Make it really easy on them. Your building principals will probably be sending out Zoom hyperlinks. You can click on that and navigate that way, or there's like 9-digit meeting ID. So if you just copy that, and if I was go to zoom.us, I can click join meeting and put that 9-digit code in there and just click join, just for this purposes so you can see. You can join with the computer audio and your microphone. You can test your speaker and your microphone here. Down below, obviously you can copy the URL if someone's having issues. You can send it to them. Join with audio. You can start your video. You can invite people if they're having issues. You can see everybody that's in the Zoom meeting. You can share your screen as well. Chat feature, you can use hyperlinks, attach documents, so on and so forth. And then you can also record the meeting, and you have end meeting. And if there's more than just myself in here, I would have options up here to change my views. So basically you can switch from whoever's talking at the moment, full screen, to basically looking like Brady Bunch, to where you have everybody in the meeting there. That's pretty much it. If you guys have issues with the Zoom meeting, feel free to email, call, text, if you need anything. Thanks, guys.